What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. We're finally going to be completing all the carbon fiber in Satin PPF. So what's left, you may ask? If you remember, I have the full Blitz carbon fiber intake. You can still see some of the parts are still gloss, and the remaining parts are in the trunk that I'll show you in a few seconds. But you know, we already have the engine bay cover, the engine cover, sorry, in Satin PPF already. So now we're going to get the Blitz intake, and it's all going to match, look super cool, go along with the lip. And yeah, so let me go over here and show you what else we're gonna be making Satin PPF. The rear wing, right now is still in a gloss PPF. So this will be turning into Satin PPF as well. And then here are the rest of the remaining parts. Got the screws in there as well. So yeah, all this Satin PPF. We're gonna go head over to the shop right now. And yeah, I'll update you when we guys are at the shop. All right, so we're here about to get the carbon intake PPF'd along with the rear wing. Right now we just have it loosely fitted back on the car. I miss having this under the engine bay. It looks so cool. Needs to be washed still, but it'll be Satin PPF just like the front lip, so everything will match. Just like the side mirrors and the side skirts. Then your last thing is the wing here, also be Satin PPF'd. And then the car will be complete with the theme of having Satin PPF carbon fiber everywhere that we could put it. So it's gonna take about 2 days. I think they said they want to keep it, and then yeah, we'll get the car back. All right, guys, so we have the car back finally from the paint protection film place called Clear Choice Design here in Tucson, Arizona. We finally completed the entire Blitz carbon fiber intake and Stealth PPF. That was the last part of the carbon that I needed to do in Stealth PPF, so I'm gonna come show you guys right now. They also did the rear wing, and they also did my door jambs as well for the Inspiration Series plaque. So you can see this is now Stealth PPF as well to match with the rest of the car. We'll go over all the carbon parts one more time. You know, Varis side skirts, Stealth PPFs, looks super cool. Then we have the front lip. And now we have this awesome view when we come up of the engine bay with the front lip, Stealth, all matching now. To go along with the engine cover, excuse the dirty engine bay. It all looks super nice now, man. Super happy with how it turned out. And then of course that goes along with the Stealth PPF side mirrors that I already had on the car as well. And lastly, the rear wing, also Stealth. So that completes the look for the car. Still need to eventually get the Varis rear diffuser. That's going to be a 6-month wait whenever I order it. Interior, still need to do the interior leathers, but they want $800 a side. That was my quote, or a rough estimate. So I'm probably gonna wait to do that, not really in a rush. And yeah, but yeah, I'm super happy with how the car's coming together. And now that you've seen the car, we're going to go back in time to this last weekend that just passed 3 days ago and show you guys the Lexus car show that I went to. We did a lot of hooning on that, so I'm gonna put all that video in there. We figured out that the top speed of the rear diff with the new rear diff swap is 151 miles an hour. So we're gonna have to go into the stock tune and remove that. But yeah, enjoy the rest of the video, guys. Thank you for tuning in. If you don't want to see any hooning, then you can end here, and I'll see you in the next video. But for now, let's go driving. What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be cruising as a group 2 hours up to Arrowhead Lexus for a big Lexus event that's being thrown up there. It's called Lex Fest. We should see some pretty interesting cars up there. All types of Lexus are welcomed. There is one supercharged ISF with the new supercharger setup that's releasing that I'm hoping is there, so that we can show it off. But yeah, we're gonna go meet up with 2 more people right now, so I will get back to you guys then, and then we're gonna cruise up all together, and if we get into some shenanigans, I will record it for the camera. All right, so looks like we're only meeting with one more extra car here who's pulling in right now. You see my car here looking nice and shiny, Ryan looking nice and shiny with the new lip, and then we got Janae and her husband coming in, facelifted RCF carbon hood, looking good. All right, guys, so we are finally getting on the road on our way to the event. 2-hour drive, just the three of us right now.
In a quarter of a mile, use the right lane to turn right on frontage road to I-10 West toward Phoenix. Turn right on frontage road to I-10 West toward Phoenix. Then stay to the left to I-10 West toward Phoenix.
Hey, there's our friend actually.
Stay to the left to I-10 West toward Phoenix.
All right, we're about at the halfway point. It's a good spot to do a pull.
Continue straight for 15 minutes to exit 78A, I-10 West toward Los Angeles.
This is the new supercharger setup. Sits on top, unlike our Racing's one. Made by Elate over in Australia. LCs on his car. came out really cool.
Well, what questions you got? Talk to me. It's different.
Molten pearl with the orange calipers. Nice. IS 500. Yeah, that's nice. Ooh, look at the pin. Looks like NVIDIA exhaust. Here's us.
Remembering a Mustang?
Did you? Yeah.
A photo of Tatum with his feet up on the steering wheel.
Mm-hmm.
Put it on your YouTube.
Yep.
Tatum, put your feet up on the steering wheel.
Red interior, you don't see that often. There's Ryan's son, feet on the steering wheel. Then we got the lady driven RCF 2020 facelift, looking good. Bronze wheels.
I'll let him know.
Then also have the wing extender. Next is my car. We got another molten pearl RCF behind us.